Good morning. It's a beautiful day today, and I really wanted to get into some small and bright painting. I wanted to paint something on small canvases. Basically, I was working on a large canvas, but then you'll come to know in the later part of the video why I stopped that. That's Yummy, she's playing around, so that's the reason you can hear that noise. Anyways, so I was actually painting on a large canvas, but I could not do that. I could not finish that on time, so I'm sharing this painting with you that I made last week. I thought this would be interesting to just club it with this painting that I'm going to be sharing with you today, the other floral painting. So yeah, it's going to be a beautiful floral art therapy. Just enjoy with colors, and remember that we're all going to have different backgrounds like you can see here. I just made a simple background, and when it dried completely, then on the second step I'm adding these leaves and just creating a dense effect on the background by using this sap green color. It's not important that whatever colors I'm using you need to use that, or you need to have this specific shade, but I always believe that using this kind of depth in the background first and then building it up with different layers, it gives you a better direction. So I'm using very loose strokes and just using the colors very randomly. As you can see, I'm using a simple small flat brush, and just by using that I'm able to create these beautiful very loose strokes. That's what I love doing. That's my favorite form of art, that just creating beautiful expressionism, just creating an illusion of flower with this loose strokes, just using the color randomly and trying to create a beautiful flower like this. It is so satisfying, and you will also enjoy this process a lot. So by following these simple and easy steps, you can paint this with me. And here it is, we have come to the end of the painting, and this is the final look. So for the next painting, I'm going to be painting on my sketchbook with acrylic painting paper. I bought this online from Instagram, so I'll link that down below if in case you want to give this sketchbook a try. And today, for the very first time, I'm also going to be using these water-soluble oil colors. Now these are completely new, and I just wanted to give it a try. That's why I'm just using it today for making this small painting. I actually wanted to try these water soluble oil colors and also share my experience with you, how the process exactly went. And it's definitely going to dry slowly, and that was the main reason I bought them, which does not mean that in case you don't have it you cannot give it a try. Please go ahead and enjoy it by using acrylics, watercolors, anything that you have. The main thought over here is to just enjoy with colors and enjoy the entire process. And this week actually I was working on a larger piece, but somehow I could not share with you because I got hurt on my shin, and that's the reason standing and walking has become a little difficult for me. So I wanted to give myself a little break but get into a beautiful art therapy. So that's the reason I've chosen this small and easy simple painting. But I'm exactly not wasting my time at all. I am actually learning more and spending my time in taking classes from Skillshare. As you know how much I love this platform and enjoy learning from them, and this month I'm learning more about some oil paintings, basically how to use oil colors, because any which ways I bought these water soluble oil colors, but the process is almost going to be similar, right? So I want to just increase my information about it and get the right, pigments, and just basically just keep learning. That's what I believe in. And this week I'm going through classes from Christy. She's an amazing artist with amazing detailed, advanced level classes. There's so much to learn from them, but if in case this does not interest you, there are different other topics that you'll be interested in. There's so many different topics that are so amazing. You can always go ahead and give it a try, and I'm so thankful to Skillshare for making this video happen and sponsoring this video. And thank you so much for all your lovely comments and mails that you've been liking it so much, and it has been so helpful for you. You can always join it again and get one more month of free trial. Just check out the link in the description box below. And now let's quickly go back and finish the remaining painting. Here everything is all ready now, my colors and the sketchbook, and I've also added this masking tape on the corner. And this is completely optional. We do require water because these are water soluble, so it is just going to be an experience like you're working with acrylics. There's nothing going to be different here. There's no oils, nothing to be used. It's completely fuss free. So in step 1, we are just going to be making the background. For that, I'm taking this flat brush and now dipping it in water, as we want the colors to be a little diluted and we want them to be moving around in the background, so that we can create an uneven background by mixing 2 to 3 colors. That's the reason I'm adding water, and this will help me in smooth movement of the brush. And don't stress much about the background if in case it does not come out the way I am doing, because as in the background is completely different. So it is going to be different for all of us. You can just follow this basic technique of diluting the color and using more amount of white, and then this is definitely going to help you in blending and mixing it really well. So let's just quickly get ready with step 1 and then move on to step 2. So this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed making this with me, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Till then, take care and thanks for watching. Bye.